Welcome. If you've noticed that animations on Telegram web feel a bit limited or toned down, there's actually a simple way to bring them back to life. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to allow more animation activity by adjusting the animation level settings on your PC. First, go ahead and open Telegram web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open up the main menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all the customization options for your experience. Inside Settings, find and select Animations and Performance. This section controls how smooth and dynamic Telegram feels while you're using it. Now, look for the option called Animation Level. You'll see a slider that lets you adjust how many animations are displayed. If your animations are currently limited, the slider might be set to a lower level. To increase animation activity, simply drag the slider all the way to the right until it says Lots of Stuff. This setting enables the maximum level of animation